how you can plan an L-shaped kitchen with a dining area. So you have two main options. Option 1 is you can put a compact kitchen in the corner, which can be an L form, U form, or with a kitchen island bench. In this way you will have a bigger area for the dining table. In our case, the dining area looks way too big and the kitchen looks too small. So what we'll do is we will use the space to create a bigger kitchen and a more compact dining area, which can be more cozy. We will create a large L-shaped kitchen, as the room is very large as well, and it will allow to have your space for even more than one person. We will also use neutral tones for this kitchen. The dining table will be placed on the left corner against the wall, where you can put some images on top of it, and we will use chairs in a similar tone to the kitchen. With this layout, the kitchen can be used by more than one person without having the feeling to be overcrowded, as it creates a lot of room in the center. Then you can add some decoration, and this is how it looks in 3D. Follow and like if you enjoyed the video, drop a comment if you have more ideas.